And Flag Makers is an excellent place to come to work to make a living. And Flag Makers is the largest and oldest flag maker in the United States. We have a conditioned manufacturing environment, which makes it relatively comfortable. All of our employees are full-time employees and thus eligible for medical, dental, vision insurance, 401k plans, and in addition to that, earned paid time off.
Within our organization, we have a wide array of skills that are needed, from assembly technicians, or we have composite technicians that do fiberglass, carbon fiber, and paint work. We also have everything that a business needs: finance in the front office, sales. So there's lots of room for growth here. We're always looking for a good staff. Specifically, we need assembly technicians. If you can turn a wrench, or you've worked on cars, or you're working at a mechanics facility now, we would love to have you.
Trade school is an excellent opportunity for young people this day and time. You have an opportunity to make some good money, I mean top money. Working in the trades with your hands, you will do that without incurring a large amount of debt to get that education. We're hiring in the 10s and 20s and 30s per year, and we're very selective in who we hire. We're trying to hire people who have the right attitude and have transferable skills. My belief is smart people can do anything they put their mind to.
Elliott Electric is always looking to hire anybody that is willing to better themselves and learn from our experienced guys. Anyone that wants to work at Elliott Electric, they can take it as far as becoming a project manager or an estimator, or they could really get involved with the drafting side of things. There's opportunities to go as far as you want to take it. We tell our guys that they can become foremen if they want to, and so we encourage them to step up and want to have a truck of their own to run their own crews. So you can start off obviously as an apprentice, but you could definitely earn your way up to be as big as you want.
I would tell a young person coming out of the CTE program, looking for employment at Lewis Metal Works, to show up on time, show up every day, and be willing to work. The experience you could get and the knowledge you could get from the CTE program could greatly benefit you here at Lewis Metal Works. Lewis Metal Works is a great place to work. We have great benefits: 401k, great health insurance, 6 paid holidays, and also, to me, the end-of-year bonus, which we pride ourselves in that if the company does well, you should too. Lewis Metal Works is hiring.
Centerra is an excellent organization to work for. There are lots of great benefits and there are opportunities, and being a part of a larger health system, there are countless ways that someone could advance their career. Career technical education is a perfect place to start. It can get you started and you would be able to get your foot in the door and have an opportunity to see what things interest you and what looks good to you, and then have an opportunity to go back and pursue more educational opportunities.
We are always hiring at Gloucester Furniture, whether it's for the cushion department, the warehouse. We also have office positions such as customer service, marketing, accounting, quality, and IT. Business classes in any way will help you at Gloucester Furniture. For any of the office positions, computer skills are very helpful. We have IT staff, so the IT Academy is a great place to learn. Also, the forklift simulator at the high school would help you really get moving in the warehouse. I'm the CFO at Gloucester Furniture. When I started here, I was the inventory analyst, so you can go as far as you want to here at Gloucester.
Genesis Products makes drawer ports. We make drawers in different varieties. We have some in stained wood, we have some in raw wood, and some in vinyl. So to start off here, you don't really have to have the skills, we provide that, but what we do love is those who have the can-do attitude, because there are advancements here. You can go from associate up to an L3. So we're looking for that. If you do have forklift experience, that does help too. But if you don't have it, we train that.
Here locally with our data center located in Boyton, there are a number of positions that are available, primarily data center technicians, but we also have a lot of critical infrastructure, critical environment folks. A career within Microsoft can easily start here locally and allow that individual to grow and be able to work anywhere in the world that they choose to work on behalf of Microsoft. Young people today have the opportunity to take advantage of classes that we have in our public school system, as well as local classes here at the Southern Virginia Higher Education Center. they can really get themselves off on the right foot.
Here, our team of 160 team members help to take locally grown, sustainable timber resource and turn it into an engineered wood product. We have a variety of health insurance options, 401k package, competitive pay, and the potential for education opportunities that go beyond just what you do today. For a young person that's about to start their career with Huber, it's a great opportunity. Whether you're looking for the right work-life balance or whether you're working to grow your career outside of here, we have those opportunities available.
The relationship with local partners that are helping provide the CTE training for us has helped employees come to the factory already prepared and skilled for the needs they have. I would say there's really no limit to where you could go with Hitachi Energy as long as you're willing to get the experience and do the work that's needed. That the company will fully support you. We have over 165 jobs open right now and growing. We have jobs open in every possible field. And so if you are wanting to come work at Hitachi Energy, please put in an application because we're continuing to hire and our future is extremely bright.